It ain't bad.
No, Joe. What is inside me? My next person. That's important.
Oh, yeah, I agree.
What are those?
Well, that's where you got her duffel to go on the road.
Oh, Joe, you like music? You like dancing?
Well, I'm not so hot at dancing, but I like music. I studied the cornet for 3 years.
You help me down, please?
Oh, sure. I really studied cornet for 4 years. My teacher said I have a natural lip.
Ooh!
For cornet playing, actually. When you play the cornet, you have to have good lips.
Oh! Joe, you're a wonderful boy.
I am?
You are so honest.
I'm honest, but I'm dumb too.
I like people who do not brag about themselves.
Well, me neither. I don't know Mr. Applegate is.
Do you know you and I feel just alike about things?
We do?
I think we shall become to know each other quite well. Would you like to take me someplace tonight?
Well, gee, I sure like you. But you know what Mr. Van Buren would say.
He'd say you lucky boy.
No, he'd say it's late. He wants us to get bed early.
Oh, Joe, you think I'm a naughty girl.
No, I read the amount of Chevy Chase stuff, and I promised to be there. Gotta go home.
Home?
Yes, gotta go there.
You want to hurt Lola's feelings?
No, I don't want to hurt anybody. That's what...
But Lola wants you to stay with her.
Strict training and rules and all that.
You can tell me all their rules.
You're making this very complicated.
Then be a good boy and do like Lola tells you to do.